so we got these organizing trays. Size, if ever you're gonna you mount it in the wall. Diba? And again, it's buy one, take one.
Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here sa Decor na section sa SM Department Store. And you guys, if you really want to accentuate the aesthetic of your room or sa inyo bakahang sala or anywhere part or any part of your house, this is the key. Ladies and gentlemen, mirrors will actually make your space look bigger, wider, fresh, free, and spacious. And very, very affordable ng mga mirrors. Look at this. Buy one, take one. And look at this. So cute. Perfect size if ever you're gonna you mount it in the wall. Diba? And again, it's buy one, take one. And available also in medyo brownish. And you know what I found here, guys? These cute accessories. Pwede niyo mabutang sa inyong handa. Or you can actually, pwede niyo siya ipagpagpag. So, na yung mga cute na mga detailed accessories. You can catch it here sa decor section at SM Uptown. And yeah, it's on sale. It's buy one, get one. It's 20% off. And you don't want to mag-effort pa at mag-alaga of plants. They have it here, synthetic. Oh, see? No effort na taking care of the plants. If you just want it there, standby lang siya. And yeah, you can actually choose a lot. There's a lot of choices here. Beautiful flowers. Creative vases. This one's so cute and actually really cool because if you touch it, it automatically adjusts the kahayag or the brightness of the lamp. Check it out. See? Woo! Also this one. Alright, you guys, I know you have so much time now in, decorating your room. Or even mag-declutter. Look at these organizers, you guys. So we have here this small weave basket. Diba? The color is so cute. Very neutral. Very sarap sa mata. Here's another. Diba? Butang ni mo yung mukhang things in here. So nice. And they even have this like utility rack for your shoes. Oh my god! Ganyan. Or if you want, they also got it here. This time. Mga weave baskets. Depende sa inyo hang gusto na size, color, it has here. My small one. For your pens or organizing trays. Yeah, so we got these organizing trays. she has very cute desk mirror. See? Pwede niyo mo ibutay mo mga lipsticks at the same time or other makeups that you have. Plus, you have a mirror na. Hey! Hey! Look at what I found. I found this plastic glasses, which is actually really cute. Dili siya obvious plastic and the design is nice. And to pair it with your feature. Diba? So it's actually a set. Tumbler, and feature set. Tumbler and feature set. It's only $255, ladies and gentlemen. And look at the designs and the colors. And if you are saucy and you want wine night, so they have, you know, very aesthetic na mga glass, na mga goblets. And look at this one. Cheers. Remember the times that we can go out wala pa yung pandemic? Remember the beer tower? It's na siya there actually. So if you want to have this a beer tower in your house, now is the perfect time to purchase because it's 20% off. Yes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, SM shoppers, mga higala, you know what? What's the good thing about SM? Because they really care. That's why it's SM Cares. Most especially right now with the pandemic and with the rising case here in the city, at least they have something for our higalas who really are actually very cautious to go out of their house because, ladies and gentlemen, we have SM Home to Deliver. And, you know, we got here Miss Ivy.
Although we have a delivery fee of 100 pesos, that's a fixed rate. So regardless if your items are bulky or mupalit na ka og 100 pesos, we will deliver it. No problem.
Did you hear that? Bahalag 100 pesos lang imo ang gi-order. They still gonna deliver it right at your home.
Yes.
Ayan, so very, very busy on the first day of the sale. So Miss Ivy, can you please invite our, you know, SM shoppers, itong mga higala, to just, you know, tawag lang sa SM.
Of course, I'm inviting all of our Cagayanons, mga higala. If you don't want to come here at the store, you can call us through #14376. It's the SM Store's 3-day sale starting today. It's May 14, 15, and 16. And we have a lot of promo offerings in store for you. So call us.